In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with Wix without building a website. We are going to take a look at examples of channels and blogs that are already doing this. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, and I'm going to briefly explain what Wix is. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can make $100 per day or more with Wix without building websites. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with security cameras, sound bars, stand mixers, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. As I mentioned in this video, we are going to make $100 per day or more with Wix. Now, let's first quickly talk about what Wix is and why that's important. Wix is a website builder that is designed for e-commerce, for small business, small and medium-sized business owners, and it allows you to build websites fast. As you can see here, they have a whole bunch of templates that you can take advantage of, and you can actually get started with Wix for free. So this is appealing to a lot of people. This is appealing to people that are interested in starting a business but might have a limited amount of money to get started. But you can see here, it is appealing to a lot of people. There are different apps and plugins that you can use to help grow your business. And as you can see here at the very bottom, how to create a free Wix website, and you can do it in 6 simple steps. Now, first I want to show you an example or a few examples of people that are already doing this. They're making money with Wix and they're not actually building any websites out there. If we click on this first one here, this is a blog here, how to make a website with Wix tutorial for beginners. If we scroll through here, they're simply walking people through the process of starting a website with Wix, and they're showing them exactly everything that they need to do to help them get up and running. They're being helpful, they're solving a problem. Here's another example of people that are doing this exact method that I'm going to show you. How to start a website on Wix. You can see the top result here, 914,000 views per year ago, 373,000 views from 3 years ago, 83,000 views. So there's tons of views to be had of channels of all sizes, and you can do this too. So what we're going to do here is we're going to walk through this process step by step. The first thing that you want to do is you want to head on over to Wix. As you can see, I'm at Wix.com, and you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to look for the word affiliates. And with affiliates, you can apply to join the Wix affiliate program. And with this program, they will pay you $100 for every new sign up. Now, this sign up does need to be a paid sign up. So you can start people off for free. They can click on your affiliate link, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. They'll click on your affiliate link. They can get started for free. But then when they realize that they have a limited usage, there's not a lot that they can do with the free plan, they're going to upgrade, and then that's when you make $100 per more. Another cool thing with this is there are unlimited referrals. So you can refer one person, you can refer 1 million people, and Wix will pay you out for all of it. As you can see, the process is really easy. You apply to the affiliate program, you promote Wix, and then you get paid. And what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to promote Wix. There's a number of ways to do it, and we're going to do it fast, and we're going to do it free. The one thing that I want to show you is the pricing, just to get an idea of how to position Wix. As you can see, $45 a month, from $16 a month all the way up to $45 a month. And so this is appealing to small and medium-sized businesses that are maybe new or just trying to get to the next level. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about all the different ways that you can promote Wix. Now, I think the best way, one of my favorite ways to promote Wix, is to jump over to YouTube, and you can type in something like Wix review. And when you type in Wix review, there are going to be tons of people that are looking for if this is good for them, okay? And so if we look at this, 98,000 views from 1 year ago, 7,000 views, and this is a smaller channel. You can see 1,000 views where people are simply wanting to know if Wix is for them, and then if they can confirm what they think. So they're going into this thinking, I want to get with Wix. Is Wix good for me? If you create a helpful video and you say, hey, look, Wix is for you, click the link in the description to get up and running, they're going to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. But what I like even more is moving slightly up the sales funnel. So instead of just Wix reviews, we can do Wix versus. So if we do Wix versus, and you can see people are asking questions like, what's the difference between Wix and Shopify? These people are ready to start an online business, but they just want to confirm that to go with one or the other. They want to make a decision and they want you to help them. And so what you could do ultimately is you could be an affiliate for both Wix and Shopify. But what I would do if I was promoting Wix heavily, I would come up with a list of 5 reasons why Wix is better than Shopify. If we look on the right hand side here, this is the competition score. This is a free plugin, vidIQ. The competition is very low, but there's a lot of people searching for it. So that means there is an opportunity. But even look at the screen here, 374,000 views from 2 years ago, 26,000 subscribers. And you could simply create 3 to 5 videos per week where you're just comparing different competitors. So we could do Wix versus Weebly. And once again, you're going to talk about why Wix is better than Weebly. You're going to get a ton of views and you can convert those viewers into sales. One tip that I would recommend, if you're going to go this route, offer a bonus to them if they get started with a paid plan. Maybe offered a cheat sheet or a blueprint to set up the website fast, how to get more viewers, how to get more traffic to your website, because that's all things that are going to be important to that target audience. They not only want to start a website, ultimately the end result is to make money and get more traffic. So if you offer a bonus, hey, look, if you click the link in the description and get started with Wix today, I will send you my free 10-step guide to get more traffic to your website, to your new Wix website. But you can see here, 16,000 views, 74,000 views, 326 views, 31,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers, and it's simply walking people through the process. But then there are more opportunities as well. In addition to Wix versus, we can create content like how to start a underscore website. And you can see here, people are asking all sorts of questions. How to start a website for free. That is a goldmine for people that want to get up and running and promoting Wix. As you can see here, how to start a free website with free domain and web hosting. 5.4 million views from 2 years ago, 373,000 views, 300,000 views. There's lots of opportunity. And you don't just have to do how to start a website for free. We could do how to start an e-commerce website with no money. Look at this. And once again, we can create content to show people step by step how to do this. So another option, in addition to showing people how to start a underscore or blank website with no money, we could also do something like best web page builders 4. And look at this. Now people are looking up for their individual needs. Best website builders for small business. If we click on this one, that's getting thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views as well. I can tell you for certain that this is working. If we just take a look at one of my YouTube channels, it's called Web Hosting Rewind, like this. And I actually follow this exact same process to promote Bluehost. If we take a look, I'm going to open this up like this, and you're going to see that I have A, less than 700 subscribers, but B, more importantly, I'm getting targeted traffic and I'm earning commissions promoting Bluehost. But you can do the exact same thing and actually make more money with Wix. If we look here, you're seeing between hundreds and thousands of views. Look at this one, how to start a science blog, 179 views. This one right here, how to start a survival blog, only 24 views, but those 24 views are highly targeted. Within this step-by-step guide, I say the first thing you need a domain name and web hosting. And then I tell them to click the link in the description to get up and running with my favorite web hosting platform. You can do the exact same thing with Wix. You could show people how to start a food blog, for example, and then refer people over to Wix if they want to get started for free. So there is lots of opportunity. You can see here that there are people that are looking up all sorts of things that you can do. So just to quickly recap, the easiest way, and I think the fastest way to start earning commissions, is to come up here and type in Wix Review 2022. And you simply go over the pros and cons of Wix, make sure that you do review the pros and the cons, and then you can offer them a bonus, as I mentioned. Once again, if we look over here on the right-hand side, the competition is very low, but there are lots of people that are asking about this. They want to learn more about Wix, and that's actually proven by 7,000 views, 98,000 views, 397 views from just 3 months ago. And if we move up the ladder, we can do, as I mentioned, Wix versus like this, and we can compare everything. We could even do Wix versus Bluehost like this. And you're going to see that people are asking and answering this question. Look at this, 662 views, Wix versus Bluehost. 984 views, again, Bluehost versus Wix. So this will work if you are consistent with it. And oh, by the way, you can even make more money once you earn 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by joining the YouTube Partner Program. So you're going to be able to stack the amount of money that you earn by offering value over on YouTube. So if we move up the ladder just a little bit more, we could do something like best web hosting 4, like this. And you can see that people are asking questions about best web hosting for affiliate marketing. We could create a list of the 5 or 10 best web hosts for affiliate marketing. And once again, if we look on the right-hand side, the competition is very low, which is good, and the volume is medium, which is good as well. And so we make a list of best web hosting for affiliate marketing, put together our list of our 5 or 6, and then include Wix in that, and we can make money. We can also show people how to start like this, how to start a blog, how to start a underscore website like this, how to start a website for clothing like that. And you're going to see, once again, there are lots of people asking and answering this question, which means there is a ripe opportunity for you. If we get, again, look on the right-hand side, very low competition. There is a pretty good volume for this question as well. So once again, if you make 3 to 5 videos per week, you don't have to show your face, but as long as you are solving a problem and adding value, you can make money. Another thing that you can do, and this probably won't bring in as many new signups with Wix, is different tutorials. So we could say how to do underscore in Wix. And these are people that either have just gotten Wix or they're thinking about getting Wix, how to make a quiz in Wix, for example. These are people that are thinking about switching or already switched over to Wix and they just want to learn how to do something. You can do these types of videos to help bolster your YouTube channel. Let's say you kind of run out of ideas or you get burnt out of creating the other type of video that I've mentioned. You can see here, once again, very low competition, tons of value. And you can show people how to make a quiz on Wix. You can see 5,000 views from 9 months ago, only 229 subscribers, 141 views from 4 months ago, 17 subscribers. You can see there is tons of opportunity and you can make $100 per day. And it's really, really as simple and straightforward as that. What I'd recommend that you do, just a few tips to increase the amount of money that you can make potentially, is to, instead of just sending them directly over to the affiliate offer, which a lot of new affiliates do, send them to a landing page where you collect their email address, and then you can offer them a free bonus. You can offer them either upgraded service if you wanted to. You could actually offer to build the website for them if they get started with the premium plan. These are all different ways to increase the odds of making more money with Wix. Now that you know 7 different ways to make $100 per day with Wix without coding, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.